Abusiafo, me mo bibia akwaba deba GCN page so. Mesters or best subscribe to my channel. Found some me abe or the so. Ube a notification and some me koso wo me will be abenya biati and answer ubenya bia share e wo GCN page ha meeting e de adwoa sechi. Sabato eye Facebook blogger na o blogge e ka politics ho enseme nko na sabato ne nsema okay na ne se eye na no ensema e koso e wo Ghana Hanum Efa Galamsey who His Excellency Nana and Otumfuo Fado. I na dream say no matter what, obe fight against a year Galamsey koso war or my Ghana. The first time and now started because Ebeka 2016 Abra His Excellency a campaign or catch a Ghana for a promise Ghana for say na membu crowd the basis so I fight against a year Galamsey because Galamsey say yes. Now the first time no fight politicians na mana anyeye. Second term me ene abe deja e wo social media. Na emu na Trini Jonas a we Ghana nya wa na America ene o twe cameras ni to dia for atem anya sem keto akra. Ebi mo so ebebu onudua na adeade. Na eno na sabato aba out na o chese aho. Na Ghana hano His Excellency ena eye Nana and Otumfuo na Otumfuo osetu Senko from you, no pen on my Ghana from Penivana. I had Ghana high any penny beer, come one penny home, and a year or two for say to us Antihene. If they want penny for common one, I didn't see, and I say you to know, it is Senko from you way at them. Now, Emperor His Excellency, Airborne, nobody, papa, and our friends who Otumfuo, I will. I come now moving in a more say, or more fix a country. Senko for a mood or two for terminal. Mona moya mobile, Mona more bread, we best Mona mobile because more. And I'm wow for etokwaho etowande na atemdidi amode edi Otumfuo na ye omanpani say Otumfuo sorry sisi ya say hey wo amotowade wo kwan ho ina mu fi ho ne ye paint kwan ho say na be ya kwan ho be ye fe na Ghana it is America wa ujina social media edi atem say face the country wo do omanpani atem na Otumfuo say to atem no ujina bia no he he na ujina o ya say ehe fa na be ko o ni ba bia ko Entino say Ghana for kasa yen share ekwa ebefa so akasa na fix the country na ye kano yen fa solutions embra rather than say ye be eyeya empenifo na say e na sabato e de etuya
na me mama answer bi and answer me busa question bi na say we are all fighting for Ghana to become a better Ghana. Now fair na atem di enko you are doing nothing because you don't bring wisdom, you don't bring good message. It's not about shouting. It's about the message you are selling to the people so that they can know that you care for Ghana. Who did you tell? You don't care for Ghana because the solution is there. You don't find it. You don't find where to get the solution for Ghana because I'm telling you, sir, if you want to tell me, sir, fix the country, give me a solution how we can fix Ghana. Then you are attacking Akoffu Addo. You are attacking Nana and Otumfuo for what? So are they those two people that are attacking? Say I'm penny from you don't know. Why don't you go to the point? We Ghanaians have our problem. Our leaders have their problem. And Anado don't have that problem. I know I said you don't have that problem. But you Ashanti people have a problem. Hello, are you listening to me? But your Ghanaian people have a problem. Why don't you go to the Snallow? You just shoot a picture of Europe. For them to see Europe is beautiful. When they told them to stand up from the rope, Mukan say, "But from me too, me for so waga, me street yo, me catch a bank school." And you tell me pay good for us no, because you for man over am mama better few. Bra, yet ya, Nana do bakolegu. Saba me am I be go, let me continue. I'm telling you, because nobody will pay for you people. I'm telling you the truth, oh. That's why I'm sitting here, I'm shouting like this, oh, because I belong for those people. Me woman here for man. You claim that no brokers in here for man. You don't fight for the good people of Ghana. No, you are doing the good job. Ghana must be faced. Me call me to video Ghana. Ne fi go to my fi catch the DC and say, oh, who said the CC chrome? No, what chimney do? Catch the DC, you know. Don't attack Akoffu Addo. Akoffu Addo is a president. He can never come to your hometown and clean your hometown. Common sense will tell you this. And you want to tell me, say, you are better than me sitting here because you are educated with your bachelor and your degree without giving me wisdom, without giving me solution for Ghana. You have a bachelor. You can can speak English, proper English. I speak vernacular. I don't care for my vernacular or my English you're talking about. I'm even more than somebody. What do you say? Now 3 man, but now 3 man, Tim Kofo, you know, going platform so. Now I know 1K, 3K. Say KK, no call money, bro. KK, no. And I'm crying your brain, and you be a no. Now be KK, no. The chrome no free one. Now you for my bread. The chrome now, Tiano. Now me chrome on that. Ha! Akoffu Addo now president, me chrome coin foot throw. Me chrome coin foot throw. Me man, me chrome coin. Ghana this year no bebre was social media so. Omo short memory. What I say? Me say me short memory. It is obi kasa. Me tie udin ni ma say no. Asema wo kan to asomo antasomo. Asema wo kan wo kan mankwa emmoa brabo. Enya wo no o pesa me nkumi nya na say wo no unim say ya adwena dedanti na wakasa sa wo. Etimu am social media muntina me kasa. Etimu mo blogia anase mu ye deda munya botre. Afraid them who face the country no baby afire. Face the country coronavirus time. Masa bosumi we nyina ma wakontoma adwuma kwanya binyo. Adwuma yenya binyo kroma. Etimu ka hu se crisis na ba wiase. Nipa bebre mo ya adwuma mo am se adwuma ni wono. Obi ya adwuma wabetena fie. Obi adwuma wabetena fie. Na mi tie social media nze siana. Ma je se me papa Haruna Idrusu granting interview. And ono so ka face the country. Ghana is broke. Na me srekeke. And I say, hey, Ghana for say o short memory sir. Odi orofo. Me bawai. Me bana. Me no Ghana de. Na me ka no. Da bi nkofo be bre o short memory. Me tena ho. Ya ba Peru na Idrusu. Ka kire Ghana for you to say. Obi face country Ghana is broke. Na Ghana youth what ya? Now I'm sorry, hey, face the country on. Orofo, me dia me tia seri o. Eti me face country na ya Ghana na. Ada na nkofo bi anase empanifo bi. Am face Ghana ansa na Akoffu Addo be president. Dia me ya o me wiase ne say, papa ni be wo wie na afa na mo bone samrane. Papa ni be wo wie na afa na mo ka kire say, one the first president who was able to do free education for the whole Ghanaians. Papa ni be wo wie na maka kire say, one na ati kuo bi e friend napko. My friends are unemployment graduate people. Papa ni be wo mo ka na fo asa ka kire me say. One na president na o dwen hia fon. Ono na abamu na udi na tam kura na won ka hwe. Papa ni be wo mo maka kire me say. Akoffu Addo abamu na utimi tena kwa mu ton no ma. Na ye du abaye bi ama. Na abaye bi ama. Oh, Ghana for this is the kind of people you are. This is the kind of people you are. But the name of Akoffu Addo is on physical. You don't come together as a journalist. You don't come together as a bloggers. You don't come together as a citizens. And when I catch them, some way bad citizens. They famu chichiru kro. Mo ya bad citizens. Ya famu chichiru kro. Citizens ya demu chichiru kro ma this ye di atam ansa na ma share video. E just ye can someone go obi so ansa na ma follow ye. E just ye go obi wo fi ansa na ma me ya star. Me pesta bia yo. Masa me bo me bro o. Chale me ye serious o. Chale I don't depend on MPP and EC o. Chale I know where I came from o. I know where I start life from. Me catch on me confirm the yogurt. I'll never stop saying this. I know the Ghana I belong to, no. Obi mo obi o. Obi a person kunya o. Including our every parliament. Every court to them. Every handful. Every Akoffu Addo is different to me. And you people are disgracing him as somebody you never hear in Ghana. Mu kulu fi say obi amonte mu ne no ma pa na say mu ni suma da wa Ghana. Hey. Ene ka wudi na tema wa edi. Hello. Ya nya o hwe. Na na do de wudi na tema. Obi amo, obi antwechew. national security kura yedin what you say ye me say papa we ne say mra because of say we mra nimni we lawyer kese nti mra na obili betimi dia jagana fo ama Ghana fo achenedi senya mra dia nanado e kwana uyiro mu huyo ala wansi na utua no mu huyo e chicha fo na utua mu ka mu huyo na kono mu huyo conference na ubie no Ghana fo wa control mu huyo propaganda na ede o entro na ede o yamunu ofini ni mu yo yensa no Ghana fo ya de o enti emra nana emra na de ba boy yafo ma wotwene ehun yenua ma wo so mu ko school free enyanka na nwisia mobro wafo na meme kasa ma wo mu no wo mu ti na maba social media o I don't deserve to disgrace myself or to talk on social media to insult anybody. I'm nobody to nobody, but I care for your good things, your good dream. And Ghanaians are not buying your good dream. So which I was not even like those people they call themselves graduates. But I care what you're doing. Ghana ni railway sinajimo. Journalists bi atimi aka wansem do. Wo mo faso kotofo suntalehye. Wo mo twamu ho ekoba. Journalists bi atimi akotan radio station aka wansem. But atem die atimi tena woye. Atem the day they intimi damne ho blogger. And the Ghana journalists na mo ye blogger. And the bloggers no cry yet come anim e will follow us cinema. Because of that you guys are so disappointed to the country. Bloggers no will follow us because you dear them. So journalists wa Ghana nyina start atem the day. Have pay followers. You are ashamed of your qualification. You are ashamed of your so-called, the name you put in yourself, journalist. And you journalist, be Captain Smart. And it was a journalist, and no broker, or a broker. Don't tell me, say, Captain Smart TV, a TV station, and I mean, Miss Sabato TV, I'm a tiano, Minion packet row. Miana me be a madio. Manquayo be a human sound. Me be a Miss Sabato TV, by myself. By my dream, I didn't go to any journalism school, and I was not even going to school to learn anything about journalists. But I can talk as a good citizen from Ghana. I can educate my brothers and sisters to get a good mentality and knowledge to change their life to become better life. I tell you, who journalists no. Nyansa ni atina dem tremuni bi. Eso me ton family ki yogurt me bo shine. Me catch us me ma brabo betimi abeche wo brabo. I'm telling you. I don't need to express myself on social media, but with my common sense and my knowledge. It is how you journalist here. Why don't you fight for your citizens? Ghana ni o problem bi aminim. Am you ashamed of yourself? And am you try baby Akoffu esensuonum. Baby Akoffu Eco school siane. Justice was there for a long time. Even by Akoffu Addo bad John Mahama, they tried to build some schools. Akoffu Addo did more than John Mahama did. Akoffu Addo did more roads than John Mahama did, than NDC did for 29 good years in power. No journalist was able to show us our road. No journalist was able to tell Ghanaians what is happening in Ghana. And today, Jonas is telling we guys what is happening in Ghana. You guys are so disappointed and so ashamed of yourself. Today, my brother fell from above, who struggled to pass Libya, to use desert, to use a sea, to go to Europe. Now the guy become he becomes so, worry for Ghana. Quite fast to be somebody, nye. Quite fast to be change your life, and yet I'm a no cassette yamane. I saw Akoffu Addo. Akoffu Addo no ama here for me go school free. And here for me life. And here for me Benina be president aboni dimpa. And here for me be MPs abetwene Ghana wa aboni dimpa. Now one go free education. And now some my me bre answer na go school. And now some my me bre answer na what ti wa resume. And unti also be Ghana MP minister. Who share Ghana? Ah wo nyere Ghana phone. Ah kempone na sha utirimu ma. Ene Akoffu Addo na wo change Ghana ba o mi na mo change Ghana system. Wo so no na mo sori tia no. Ni enya bloggers bi a o mo so anko school, o mo firi onya busuam na mo so di sa papa fo yatem. Esa Ghana nye ko busa wo kromfo se. Efiri se yo ya wo wana na wo krom kwa na ye na tutu ya na. Ko busa wo kromfo se efiri se ya wo na wo krom no ena ya type bo obi afie ho. Akoffu Addo ba ne ni nyina ya tutu afiri wana. Masa mo blogger amon kanya sasemo. Presenters mo so mo blogger amon kanya sasemo. Na mo mu bia timi to the sesa. Ya wa presenter for why ya fight galamse no mo so fight. Ena dia na nkrai bedie, ena dia na ena mo boy no aduane atogu no mo so fight. They call themselves journalists. At the end of the day, the same presenters will come and say yensu ase. Mr. Ghana, yeni baby ako because woman could go to certificate no. Woman could go to school no. Chimie too much. Ebi kuta degree ni just school no mo ko fa chimi ene ya yanko universities no. Yesu so anim nyansa enso yehu yeso fa so wo politics mu. Yehu yeso fa so awa mamuo mu. Ene wo ma chimie no tete aben adwuma no. Ene mo de yakesesam. Ene mo de chimie e de ka enkwasiasam. Se journalist se ultimate president Akoffu Addo. We are poor to the sense what chimie on. Me wo so chimie for wo busuamu da. Na yenya so chimie for so wo busuamu da. Na wo chimie a wo de to as journalist want chimie meka nya na wasem. Masa, se me sia hiti amatia no. Se wo cha me ankwasiafo bi fam o mo de pe o social media no. Me must stop wo. If you leave me for me to blog also, kwasiafo bi fam o mo de pe. Hey, Akoffu Addo be kwa me enya form am wa kire mu. Eno ni ade a ye mahintasem a